Bam, bro. We back in business. You guys remembered both of my compressors in a way was messed up. One of them was not pumping past like 60 psi, and then the other one kept tripping the whole system. So I just went and bought 2 more. But anyways, welcome back to the video, guys. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the motherfucking building. Welcome back, my people. Oh man, yo, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the videos because we're doing this, bro. We're doing this. Boring. Let's get to the fun stuff, bro. And the 2 main things. Jesus Christ. Bam. 2 brand new compressors, bro. So it shouldn't be too bad. I already have everything out. All I gotta do is unscrew this and just, you know, take out the 2 compressors, put the new one in. But for the new one, I gotta put the mounting brackets on sideways. That way, you know, it's not standing up. Bro, my cat is on my roof trying to catch some squirrels, bro. Oye, Superman, get down, bro. Look at this dude, bro. Who the fuck you think he is? Bro, you're not a squirrel, bro. You can't get in the freaking hole, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Kaka!
You're fucking crazy, bro.
Oh my god, Junior, you have to go.
Shut up.
Stop, that's not funny. Oh my god, Kaka! Oh my god, he's gonna die. Junior!
He's a cat, man.
Kaka, where are you going?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, let me go get my phone.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's gonna fall. No, he's gonna fall back.
Yo, Kaka, please, Kaka. Kaka, get the fuck.
Oh my god, he's gonna fall. You need to go get him.
How the fuck am I gonna get him, bro?
Get a ladder.
A ladder, bro. Where am I gonna put it?
Kaka, get down.
Oh my. I'm gonna have to call the fireman for this.
Oh my god.
Come, bro. Come, bro. Let's go. Yes, bro. Come, bang. 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 Yo, if my camera falls, I'm gonna fuck you up, bro. After you fall. Bang. 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 Bang, coño. Okay, now that we got our cat back, yo, don't get no cats, bro. They're just stressful. They scratch you and they do shit like that. They do shit like that. You know, you won't see a dog on the fucking roof. Check what I got. So I got the compressors out, right? So now I gotta put the mounting brackets on its side. So it's actually easy. They come mounted like this, you know, standing up, the head up. But you know, I want them like this. So it's actually easy. There's actually screws right here. So the screws right there, 1, and then 1 on the other side. And all you gotta do, take them off and just rotate the bracket. Same thing on the front, but in the front, you actually have to shave down. You have to shave down the bracket just a bit. So if you want to mount it like this, right? Because there's a little extra right here on top, so you just gotta shave down the top. So since I already shaved down the brackets from these, I'm gonna just take these and put it on the new ones. And just like that, brand new, no sticker. So now we gotta put the fitting for the hard line. and then put it back in the car. So I just finished connecting everything. It's still a mess. I didn't like really put anything back. I just want to make sure everything's working. So far so good. Both compressors are on right now, so the numbers are going up fast.
Day 2.
Well, oh my god! It's always when I wake up. Always when I wake up.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day. So I just gotta put everything back in now. Okay. Bam. So we're back in business. Everything is looking good on the control. I got no leaks. I got everything's working normal. Fills up right away. See you guys probably another day because this vlog is short, so I'll just continue it. Why would you laugh? Yo, hopefully nobody's here, bro. Hey, nobody's here.
They out. They out. It's not confidence. We should go.
What's good, guys? What's good?
Come, let's do it over here.
Do what?
The video.
I need the car, bro.
And then we come.
I need the car.
Please. Go. Put your car right there.
Right here, bro? Are you crazy?
Okay, I'm scared.
My car, bro.
I have a fear of water.
Are you gonna jump?
No?
Let's
I'm
jump.
just scared of big waters.
Let's jump. Oh my god, bro.
Okay, this is creepy. Okay, why are you walking so fast?
This is where everybody in Lawrence acts a fool, bro. And there's a lot of stupid things.
Oh my god, right here. Put your camera right here. Hi!
What the fuck? This shit's moving, bro.
Come right here. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Bro, they're gonna take my car, bro. The car's on.
I like these. Let's get
Okay, so let's park the car right here.
Go.
Okay, give me 1 second, okay? Come, bro. Hello. Alright, so peep this, guys. Since I have a lot of subscribers now, well, since I've gained a lot more subscribers, I kind of want to update the car and like kind of, you know, say my future plan for it. So for all the new subscribers, yo, come over here, bro. I look like a herb. I'm not putting it, I can't put it there, bro. I can't put it there. So what? So for all my new subscribers, right? This is my. Hold on, let me wait till this guy leaves. Alright, so I'm giving them like the new subscribers an update, or like not an update, but you know, showing them the whip. You
Why are
know?
you talking over here? I was
So I'm not here by myself for the camera, you know, and whatever. So this is my 2011 G37. I'm backed on Airlift 3P. I got some 19s GMR 3-piece wheels. I recently. What the fuck you doing, bro? You scared the shit out of me. Yo, you gotta air up, bro. You gotta air up.
Why?
It's on the floor, bro. Shorty's crazy.
Which one? The second one?
Press airlifts.
Bro, I thought that was the drink.
You ripped in.
Only Coke.
Where's it going, bro? Where you going? Yeah. What the fuck? She thinks she knows what she's doing. Keep going. Go back. Put it right here. Keep going. You got space. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. All the way to the flow. The bottom. Yeah, buddy. So this is my.
Hey, you're supposed to do a video of me coming out.
All right, go ahead. I got a muffler and resonator delete. That's why it's loud. Yo, give him a little rev. Hurry up before the cops come. Hurry, 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 hurry. Yo, bro, that's it, bro. Alright, so what's next? What's next? My trunk setup. Quick. I don't have the control for the lights.
Yeah.
I don't know where it is. So, as you guys recently saw, I did my trunk setup again. And that shit looks mad red. Bam.
Where's your light?
I don't have the controls in the house. And then I did the interior swap with the homie Hookah Poppy. My fresh carbon fiber steering wheel. I got some audio, I got some door speakers, and I got some speakers back here. This is just a quick, little, trying to give the new subscribers a little update. What else I do to this car? Oh yeah, my wide body or flares, whatever you guys want to call it. I got my top secret carbon fiber diffuser. Everything here is everything on the car. I did it in my yard, so props to me. Thank you, bro. Thank you. What's next? What's next? As you guys saw recently, my carbon fiber splitter had his last day, but I will be getting another one. Some future mods I want to do to the car. Hold on, I got a list. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, obviously, since I got the flare kit, I'm gonna rebuild my wheels again, get new tires. That way I'm gonna get a meteor setup, so you know that shit is fire. And then, no, I haven't. So I'm gonna end up getting, I think I'm gonna end up getting an 8-inch lip all around for all my wheels. So it's gonna be thick, bro. I'm gonna lose the stretch tires for a bit, and I'm gonna get a meteor setup. And then, let me see what's next. Oh yeah, big brake kit. So this is the base model. This ain't the sport. So I don't have the big brake kit. So I will be getting that for sure for next year. Another thing I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna customize my headlights. I'm gonna do it myself, I'm gonna attempt it. If I fuck it up, I fuck it up. YOLO, bro. That's how we learn out here. Another thing I'm gonna do, everybody's telling me to do, is wrap my car. I already got a color in mind. I don't want to say it just yet, but just know I will be wrapping the car again. Not again, I mean, I never wrapped it before, but. And I'm gonna do it myself, so not soon, after the winter, because I live in New England, bro. Another thing another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the sport bumper, because this front bumper I got now is whack. So sport bumper is the way to go. That's pretty much my vision for next year. Here she is, guys. Oh yeah, and I think I'm gonna put my tints back on. It looks good. It looks good with the no tints, but I need my tints, bro. I need my tints, you feel me? So, and I think I'm gonna tint the whole front windshield too. But I'm not gonna go too crazy with the front, because I don't wanna get pulled over because of my tints. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna redo the headlights, new front bumper, get the facelift, you know, it's gonna be fresh. I'm gonna redo the wheels, so the fitment's on point, because right now it looks kind of whack. It looks nice when it's aired out, but like when I'm driving, it's whack. What else you guys want to know? Let me know what you guys want to see, or if you guys got questions down in the comments below. And for all my new subscribers, yo, thank you. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. You heard? My heard. I gotta drive it a little bit more, because winter's coming and you know, shit whack. I'm trying to find the storage. Well, there's a couple storage units around that I think I'm gonna end up getting for this car, for the winter at least, because I don't want to leave it out in the snow with a tarp. And I did that last year, and my paint got fucked up kind of. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces, bro.